come May, I was on a plane to Japan for the first time.
Wow.
And spent about 2.5 months over there, working with some prefectural hunters in the Fukushima University Institute of Environmental Radioactivity, hunting these wild pigs. My advisor sent me a presentation by a gentleman who works here, Ron Goins, who had done work with what's called a pseudo-Pelger-Hewitt anomaly, kind of a novel biomarker for radiation dose. Wound up coming down here to work with Ron to evaluate those first samples. And we came out with a dose response for those. There's 37 initial animals. Wild boars were a really great species of opportunity. One, they breed ridiculous paces. 3 to 7 piglets up to 3 times in 14 months. So their population boomed after the accident. 2, they dig around in the dirt for food. So they're right there in the dirt where all that cesium contamination is, so they're intaking it. 3, their physiology is really close to humans. And 4, they're remarkably destructive animals. So they're actively being hunted already. So what we did is we piggybacked on some prefectural hunters, and what they did is they had single bore traps, and these are about 2 meters tall by 2 meters wide by about 2 to 3 meters long. Gate goes up on either side. They would bait it with a variety of things. It was usually some sort of like soy powder product. They'd actually cook sake down into a paste and put it in there, so they're trying to get the boar docile for us.
Right.
But they were angry drunks. But boar comes in, hits the trip cord, gates fall. The rest is history. So I've got blood smears total from 138 wild boars now.
Wow.
And that's what I'm back down here doing now, is reevaluating these to make that dose response curve more robust. Where this really has some large implications in is biodosimetric estimates of radiation dose that someone gets. The gold standard right now is dicentric chromosome analysis,
right.
Which takes between 48 and 72 hours minimum, is expensive. But with this analysis, this is just from a peripheral blood smear. So you take a little piece of glass, drop of blood from the finger, smear it out, you dry it, fix it, stain it, and count it under a microscope. Good clean slide will take about 15 to 30 minutes. The exposure incident that happened in Goiânia, Brazil, where they had a cesium chloride source that was orphaned. And they only had, I think it was about, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was about 20, 25 clinically significant cases. But they had hundreds, thousands of people show up thinking they were contaminated.
Sure.
And if you're going through, that's a lot of people to deal with, right? But if you tell somebody, okay, you're not exposed, right? What's the likelihood of them being like, okay, I trust you, right?
Right.
And just walk away. What this could be is kind of a peace of mind thing for them too. It's just like, okay, give me a drop of blood. Come back in 2 hours.
Right.
Say, all right, yeah, see, here's proof, you're not exposed. A lot of people don't realize there's a huge psychological component of it. And having that peace of mind could really ease the issue.